Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. In today's video, we are going to make Iron Man coasters. For that, we will use MDF coaster, Little Birdie white chalk paint. Then we are going to use this Deco varnish. Again, it is from Little Birdie. Then we have this sponge blender, acrylic colors, brushes, and then we will require this Iron Man Deco transfer sheet. It is from Itsy Bitsy. All these products are from Itsy Bitsy except for the acrylic colors and brushes. So let's start. So step 1 is we have to take the MDF coaster and we have to paint the base with the chalk paint. So let's open this. I am also trying this for the first time. And we have to dip our brush and directly apply it on the coaster. Now I will speed it up. And I will apply one layer of chalk paint. If you want, you can go for 2 layers also. But I think 1 layer is enough. Now let's paint the second one. Let it dry completely and then move to the next step. Now it's time to use the acrylic colors. So I will mix 2 colors. It's up to you, whatever color you want to use, go for it. Now it's time to add the color on the coaster. For the second coaster, I will use the blue shade and I want it to be a light shade, so I will add the white color. This is the ratio. And after mixing it, I am applying it on the coaster. Now till the time it is drying, we will take our deco transfer sheet and we will cut the design. So let's see. We have all the instructions given on the back side of it. Gently removing the transparent sheet. And we have to place the design upside down on the coaster. Press it. Now it's time to use the sponge. So we will dip it in water and we'll dab it on the transfer sheet like this. Now it's time to remove the paper. So we have to gently remove the paper. And we have successfully transferred the image. You can see. We'll do the same thing here for the blue one. Removing the transparent sheet. Placing it on the coaster. Dabbing it with the wet sponge. Removing the paper. And we got the transferred image. Now the last step is to seal the transferred image. For that we are going to use this Deco varnish from Little Birdie. It's very easy, just open the bottle. Take few drops, you can directly apply it on the surface. And just spread it with the help of brush. We'll do the same for the blue one. So our Iron Man coasters are ready. So guys, this was all about today's video. Do let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I will upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.